In this question, let us try to integrate sine inverse x by 1 minus x square whole power 3 by 2. So let us see how we can do this. So first, let us try to simplify this expression using some substitution. So you have 1 minus x square. So let us put x is equal to sine theta. So dx will be equal to cos theta d theta, right? So what does this integration become? Integration of sine inverse of sine theta is theta, dx is cos theta d theta divided by 1 minus x square is 1 minus sine square theta, that is cos square theta, whole power 3 by 2, that is cos cube theta. So 1 cos theta and 1 cos theta gets cancelled. So this becomes integration of theta secant square theta d theta. So now you have a product of two functions. So as you can see, this function is quite easily integral. So this is secant square theta and theta. So let me take this as the first function and let me take this as the second function. So u integral v, integral of secant square theta is tan theta. U integral v minus integral of du by d theta, that is differentiation of theta is 1, into integration of this, that is tan theta d theta, that is equal to theta tan theta minus integration of tan theta. We know that it is log mod secant theta plus c. So once the integration is done, you need to do the back substitution. So theta is nothing but sine inverse x, right? So that is equal to sine inverse x into. So what is tan theta? Theta is sine inverse x. So tan theta is nothing but tan of sine inverse x. So what is sine inverse x in terms of tan inverse? So we take a right angle triangle. If this is theta, if this is x, so sine inverse x has here x and this is 1. So this is root of 1 minus x square. So sine inverse of x will be tan inverse of x by root of 1 minus x square. So sine inverse x will be tan inverse of x by root of 1 minus x square. So this becomes x by root of 1 minus x square minus log of mod of secant of sine inverse x. So sine inverse x can be written as secant inverse of 1 by root 1 minus x square. So cos inverse of root of 1 minus x square or secant inverse of 1 by root 1 minus x square. So secant theta becomes 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So this is 1 minus x square whole power minus half. If that comes out, so you get x sine inverse x by root of 1 minus x square plus half ln mod of 1 minus x square plus c. So this will be the integration of this function.